kitty. Lucy. Hi. Woo. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Oh, sniff the screen. That's fine. We're watching the news. What's this lady's name right here? Patrice Wood, and then what's the guy's name? Gene Valicente. I knew that one, because he has a weird name. And they're talking about the weather. And they don't have power in Narragansett or something like that. Oh, and there's a guy with ski goggles on. What does he think he is? What's his name?
Because the snow is hitting their eyes.
Because this snow is blowing right in my face. It's a stinging sharp snow.
Okay, I'm just saying I really want this sweatshirt right here. On Wednesdays, we wear pink, and if you don't know what that's from, then that's sad. This stuff tastes amazing. Why is it so... Oh, the lens cap is on. I was like, why is it so dark? I figured it out. It is crazy snowy out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the snow. There's so much of it. The door opens by itself, guys. Uh-oh. It was working a minute ago, I swear. Kind of sounds like a penguin. I'm gonna take this to the zoo or the aquarium, wherever penguins are. Look at the cute kitty. That's just a random cat. Like that's not even a cat. It's just a cat. It's not even a cat. It's just a cat. Don't look at it. You can't even see out the windows. You can't even see. You can't even see. Look at my laptop. It has like its own little cushion seat over in the corner all by itself. Plugged in. How cute. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh yeah, the table, there's 7 3/4 inches on the table. So there's probably about 9 or 10 inches on the ground. And it's like 8 o'clock at night, and it's supposed to go until tomorrow night. Be the princess on today. But I put on 2 different colors by accident. Like, darn. We're watching Guy Fieri, guys. I'm talking to my camera. We're watching Guy Fieri, right? We found this ladybug in the house, and we don't want to let it go because it's all snowy out. So I'm going to keep it and name it Blizzard, and it's my new best friend. And we named it Blizzard because it came out from the blizzard, you know? So, look at this lock screen. Isn't that adorable? I love it. It's so cute. We're watching Wheel of Fortune. Wait. Oh, she's got a half a car. You lucky. I know you liked this video, so subscribe. I'm Haley. This is my video.